Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems out of this book here, the GMAT review, the official guide. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You should be able to find it at mba.com. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 182, problem solving, number 217. Let's take a look at it. It's important that you have the book in front of you so that you can read the problem with me. Otherwise, you will have difficulty following it, because I do not have the luxury of writing down the whole problem on the blackboard. So I'm going to read it to you and turn to the page 182 and read it with me. It says, it's the very first problem on page 182, number 217. It says, a certain junior class has 1,000 students. A certain junior class has 1,000 students, all right. So here is my junior class, which has 1,000 students, and a certain senior class has 800 students. Alright, so far so good. Among these students there are 60 sibling pairs. Alright, there are 60 sibling pairs. So there are 60 students out of 1,000 out of this one, and those 60 students have either a brother or sister in the other class, and there are 60 of those. There are 60 pairs of sibling pairs in junior and senior class. Alright, so far so good. Each consisting of one junior and one senior. That's right, they have to say that, otherwise you could have a sibling pair in both of the siblings sitting in the senior class. So there is one here and one here. There are 60 pairs, and hence 60 over here, 60 over here. 60 out of 1,000 here have a brother or sister in this class, and similarly 60 out of 800 of those students have either a brother or sister in this class of 1,000 students. Let's continue. What are they asking? If one student is to be selected at random from each class, so you're going to select one student from junior, one student from senior, the question simply is, what are the odds that the two students that you pick, one from this class and one from this class, what are the odds that they will end up being a sibling pair, either a brother or sister? Alright, fine. So there are only 60 students, there are 1,000 students altogether in junior class, out of which only 60 of them have either a brother or sister in the senior class. So the odds, if I were to pick one student at random from the junior class, the odds that I'm going to pick a child who has either a brother or sister in the other class is 60 out of 1,000, because there are 60 of them. 60 out of 1,000. So I pick somebody. Let's give it a name. Let's say I pick Bob. Now Bob has a brother in the other class. Let's give him a name. I like to call it Rob. Why not? I like to be creative. So after I pick Bob, there are 60 out of 1,000 chances that I will pick that if I were to pick a student at random, that students will have either a brother or sister in the other class. Once I have chosen that person, in this case Bob, once I have chosen that person, then there is only one person in the other class who is his sibling. So the odds that I will pick Rob is 1 out of 800. Because there are 800 students in this class, out of which only one person will make a pair with this guy. That's it. So these are your odds. That's it. You just have to simplify it, I guess. Let's see. Yes, you're going to have to simplify it. So 60 times 1 is 60, obviously. And at the bottom I have 1,000. 1,000 times 800, and just simplify it. That's all it is. It's no big deal. So there you go. 3, and this becomes 40. So it looks to me like 3 out of 40 times 1,000 is 40,000. So it looks to me that the odds of picking a sibling pair, it's about 3 out of 40,000. Answer is A. 3 out of 40,000. That's all. That's it. We are done. I hope you found it helpful. If you wish to buy my DVDs where I show you the solutions to all the problems in the book, or if you wish to hire me for personal private tutoring, I'm located in Connecticut. But as I have said in my previous clips, if you've been watching, I'm willing to come down anywhere as long as as long as we come to an agreement. So send me an email if you wish to communicate with me. Go to my website at www.for4gmat.com. Alright? Thank you.